Let's take a moment and look at the audio settings on the AVH-X2500BT. We can start by touching the Home button, and we'll go over to our audio menu. Here, we can adjust the fade and balance control. We can adjust forward or back on the fader and right to left on the balance. And we're done. We'll go back one level. Here we can adjust the graphic equalizer, and for more information on the equalizer, check out the EQ video. Next is our Auto EQ settings, and for more information about Auto EQ, check out the Auto EQ video. Then we have our Sonic Center control. Here we can steer the stereo image across the front of the vehicle, both to the right and to the left. Choose the setting that sounds best to you. We'll go back one level. Next is our loudness control. Here loudness is turned off. We can switch it to low, mid, or high. And one more time, and we can switch loudness off. Next is our subwoofer control. We can open that menu. Right now our subwoofer is turned on. We can switch the subwoofer off, but we'll switch it on for right now. Next is our phase for the subwoofer. Right now it's in its normal phase. We can also switch it to a reverse phase. Then we'll switch it back to normal. Here we can boost or cut the output level of the subwoofer. And we can change the crossover frequency of the subwoofer as well. When we're done with that, go back another layer, and we can scroll down on the audio menu. Here's our bass boost, where we can add a little more bottom into the system or take it back down to 0. And here our high-pass filter. Right now the high-pass filter is switched off. We can turn it on and choose a crossover frequency for the high-pass filter. Next we have our source level adjuster, and our source level adjuster is compared to FM. So right now our source is set to iPod, and iPod's volume level compared to FM is here. So when we switch between the sources, between FM and iPod, if iPod seems a little quiet, we can add a little more volume into the system, or if iPod seems too loud, we can take a little volume out of the system for iPod. And the source level adjuster works for all of the sources as compared to FM. When we're done making those adjustments, we can hit the X and go back out to the source.